2024 was a year of bidding adieu to several celebrities. These stars gave us unforgettable memories, and their passing has left an irreplaceable void. Here's a tribute to 8 legends who left us this year. Legendary classical singer Ustad Rashid Khan passed away on January 9th after a prolonged battle with cancer. The owner of a magical voice, his soulful music left a lasting impact on millions. Celebrated for his deep voice and impeccable renditions, Ustad Rashid Khan went beyond his classical expertise, lending voice to Bollywood hits like Aoge Jab Tum, Allah Hi Rahem, and the City Lights title track. Actor Rituraj Singh passed away following a cardiac arrest on February 20th at the age of 59. He is renowned for memorable roles in popular TV shows like Diya Aur Bati Hum and Anupama. In addition to his work on TV, Rituraj Singh also left a lasting impression on the big screen with notable roles in films including Badrinath Ki Dulhania, Yaariyan 2 and Tum Mile. The soulful voice of legendary ghazal singer Pankaj Udas fell silent on February 26th. He is known for iconic songs including Na Kajre Ki Dhar, Aaj Phir Tum Pe and Chitti Aayi Hai, which became anthems for millions. The love for Udas's music transcends generations and regions. His rich, expressive voice made him a household name, and his contribution to music is immeasurable. Actor Vikas Sethi, known for his roles in TV shows like Kasauti Zindagi Ki, Kahin To Hoga, and Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, passed away on September 8th. He was appreciated for his natural acting ability and strong screen presence. Apart from his work on television, Vikas Sethi also made appearances in Hindi films like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum and Oops. Renowned fashion designer Rohit Bal, celebrated for his creative brilliance, passed away on November 1st. A true pioneer in the Indian fashion world, Rohit's designs graced both runways and Bollywood films, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. His distinctive style and visionary artistry made him an icon in the fashion world. Popular folk singer Sharda Sinha, also known as Bihar Kokila for her melodious rendition of Chhat and folk songs, passed away at the age of 72 on November 5th after a long battle with blood cancer. Sinha, who pioneered and popularized the rich folk traditions of Bihar beyond its borders, is known for songs like Kartik Mas Ejoriya, Suraj Bhaile Bihan, and Bollywood hits like Tar Bijli and Babul. Zakir Hussain, one of the world's most accomplished percussionists, died at the age of 73 on December 15th due to a lung disease. Son of legendary tabla player Allah Rakha, Hussain revolutionized the instrument, taking it beyond the limits of classical music to other forms including jazz and Western classical. The celebrated musician won 4 Grammy Awards in his career spanning 6 decades. Veteran filmmaker Shyam Benegal, who heralded the Indian parallel cinema movement in the 1970s and 80s, died at the age of 90 on December 23rd after battling with a chronic kidney disease. The Hyderabad-born filmmaker won 18 National Film Awards and was conferred the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, the Padma Shri and the Padma Bhushan. His cinematic masterpieces included Ankur, Manthan, Nishant, Junoon, Mandi, Trikal, Kalyug, Sardari Begum, and Zubeda.